Well, hello, beautiful people of YouTube. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fantastic. Well, a little update here tonight, kind of tinkering around. I ordered a motor mount, the center motor mount for the Neon, and it should be here tomorrow, but I thought I'd go ahead and take care of this leaky oil pan, and I wanted to show you how to take this oil pan off. Pretty easy to do. I got it up in the air and everything. It's on ramps, the emergency brake is on, so let's just get right into it. You have to have a 10mm socket, an extension, and you gotta drain the oil out, the oil pan, take the filter off, pretty easy to do. Then up here on the top, you have all these 10mm bolts that go clear around the pan. And when you get ready to drop this pan off, there's one bolt that you have to take off. It's right here on this cover, dust cover, going into the flywheel. The torque converter. You have to take this out, and we'll try to do this with one hand and hold this oil pan because it kind of catches it right here. And once I get this out, this thing will drop right out. This is one of the easier oil pans to take out. Some of the 2.0s, especially on the Dodge Caravans, you have to take out multiple brackets. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you, you got to take this bracket off that kind of covers up the back part of the oil pan back here. It's pretty easy to take off. Just 4 bolts. 2 of them are 18mm and the other 2 are 13mm. Very easy to take off. You got to take that bracket off too, there before that oil pan will slide off. But this one's pretty straightforward, and there it is. And there is the gasket that I have to replace. Let me go ahead and pop this off here real quick. You can see where it's been leaking. And the gasket may be okay. I just may need to clean it up and put some sealer on it. This is a one-piece gasket, and some of these are made to be reused, so you have to check your manufacturer's specs. And there it is. And we'll put this off to the side. And there is the bottom of the engine. And the other beauty here is if you have to replace any of your rod bearings, real easy to do. You just pop off your caps and spin those around. And you can take off each rod bearing and replace it. And also, there's a sump. Check your screen for debris. Make sure there is no pieces of metal or shavings in there. Speaking of metal and shavings, let's pull the oil pan out real quick and look at it. And you're going to see it for the first time just like me. And let's see if we have anything here worth looking at. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. I don't see no metal, which is a good thing. Now, the car, like I said, just turned over in my last video. Just turned over 100,000 miles. And looks really good. I don't see no metal, just some dirt, which is pretty normal. And let me slide this out of the way. Yeah, if you like all my multiple lights I got, picked that one up there at Goodwill for $3. It's a pretty nice light. Crawl back up under. And by the way, the transmission's doing great. You can see all my seals and my axles. None of them are leaking. Bone dry. And on the back of the engine, you can see right there where that seal has been leaking. So that's what I'm doing tonight. Just kind of tinkering around here. I want to clean this seal up and go back on the computer tonight and see if I can reuse this gasket and maybe just kind of touch it up and dry it up. But if you want to take this oil pan off, it's pretty easy to do. I have other videos on YouTube on how to establish pulling this oil pan off on the other 2.4s on the Caravans. The 2.0 and the 2.4 is just a little bit different, just so you know. And back here is the main bearings, the main bearing cap on the back here. You can't see it, but a lot of times you can get leaks back there. But I'm pretty much good to go. Even my front seal, it's bone dry, no leaks. And I'm in pretty good shape. So I just want to make a quick video tonight. My center motor mount should be here tomorrow, and once it comes in, I'll go ahead and start putting it back on. It's a little involved. I'll make a quick video on it and give you guys an update on how to do it, or at least give you some instructions on how to do it. So in summary, the 2.0 Dodge Neon from 2000 to this is Dodge Neon from 2000 to 2005. The oil pan is pretty easy to take off if you need to get in here and do any work. So there you go. Thought I'd make a quick video. Let me stand back up here. And once I get the motor mount on, and get my touch-up paint finished up. I'm ready to drive this thing. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to take a few trips in it and then enjoy it. So that's it, guys. A little update on the Neon. So if you're working on one, they're your tip for the night or day. So until my next video, hey, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and stay cool.